Fisherman Dan. What you got on there, Dan?
You don't want him on the anchor line.
I got a big ass fish. I don't know what it is. He's going around front.
Don't let him do that.
Get him! Get him! See him yet? Huh?
Hold on, bring him close. Hold on. Got it. We'll measure just to be sure.
Oh man, you.
What is it?
About 29, 30 inches, 30 and a half. It's a keeper, man.
It's a keep your first fish, a keeper!
Nice job, Bob.
Empty that cooler out, put some water in.
How's that feel, buddy?
Yes.
A little exfoliating. Sashimi. Gonna eat it.
I want this sushi energy burst.
A piece.
Yep.
There's a
Dip.
fish that Dan pulled in.
Dipping.
There's Dan's fish.
Oh, yeah.
I'll give you a little mustard if that's...
Oh my God.
Success.
There you go.
Up.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh
Oh what?
my God.
It's very good.
Oh my God.
There you go. It's just swimming around this morning. There's the hunter right there.
Yep.
Cheers.
Good
Cheers,
job,
yeah,
you guys.
very nice.
Good job.
Yeah.
Good job.
The Welsh's caught him, man.
Clink,
Yep.
clink.
Yep, that's Bobby's.
Bob caught him and let me reel him in.
That's so nice.
Now I got the striper on the grill. Olive oil, lots of salt and pepper, and pesto. Ooh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Pay attention.
Peeling the skin off, Dad.
I know it. I'm supposed to leave it right on there, just like that. That's what Dave does. He's the master. Sweet. There goes Molly tasting the fish.
Oh my God.